Hello guys, in this video I am gonna show you how to add image into text and how to add text into an image. This is very easy. There is a very easy solution in MS PowerPoint about this work. So let's start. For example, to complete this process I have created a blank slide. Now I am gonna work with it. For example, let us start. I am gonna edit a nature into my text. So I am going to write emerging nature. Okay, emerging nature. Now I am gonna increase it for increase the size for that. This will be, for example, this size. This size will be sufficient for my work. You can also modify the size whatever, but this size will help you. And one more thing, in MS PowerPoint there is no direct method to add picture into the text, so I cannot put the picture directly into the text. And in Microsoft PowerPoint you can enter a text into a shape or some any kind of background. Okay, so how can I do this process? So I have to convert this word into a shape. So I'm gonna how to convert first. So the process is first to convert the text into a shape, then in shape you should insert the picture. So let us select the text. Now Control C and press Control V. So there are two text here. Okay, so I'm the size of the two text is exactly same. You must not change any of the shape. So now I'm gonna drop it here just like that, exactly into it. Okay, so now there are two shape here. Now go to the format menu. In format menu, click the selection pane to select both text. Okay, so in selection pane the two text will be shown, exactly two object. Okay, two object have to select. The object is the text here. So I'm gonna press control and click here. So the two text box is selected here. Now go to the merge shape, click union. Now this has converted into a shape of text. Now this is a single object. Okay, look, there is a single, in selection pane there is a single object here. Okay, now you can increase the size or reduce the size whatever you want. Now you can insert a photo in it. How can we do it? So go to the again to the format menu here. Okay, format menu and shape fill. Go to the picture. So what type of picture you want to select here? I am gonna insert a nature picture here. I have downloaded it previously. So go to the file in my desktop. So this is the nature picture, or this whatever I want to take. I am in this case I just selected this. So insert. So now look, the text is containing the picture inside it. This is very emerging and simple technique, and this effect is very emerging. So this is the way you can so this is the way you can convert your text into a shape, and from shape you can convert your text into a combination of text and image. So you can also, there are a lot of formatting option. You can if you want to change the picture you can also change from here. Okay, go to the format change in here. You can also give different impact. For example, this whatever you want. Okay, whatever you want. And if you want to give picture border, you can see like that. Okay, different type of border. If you want to select different type of color, for example I'm gonna select green color, and border will be like this. Okay, this can also be done. Okay, so this is the full process of how to convert a text, how to convert an image into a inside a text. Now I'm going to show you how to type or read write anything in an image. So I'm going to take another slide, go to home, new slide, blank slide. Okay, from here I'm going to insert a picture, picture, device, picture. Okay, now I'm gonna write this, for example, this picture credit. Okay, go to insert here, text box. In Word, if you want to write anything, you should use the text box. Okay, so text box, for example, photo credit, for example, net geo. Okay, net geo or online source. Okay, so this the front color is black, this is not visible, so I'm gonna edit it. I'm gonna make it little bit bigger. I'm gonna change the color in white. I'm gonna make it bold. I'm gonna make it a shadow, and if it is not visible, I can also change the color in red, anything else which is visible. Okay, in this case the white is very visible here, so you can also align your text anywhere. If you want it here, it can be done. If you want to here, so for this photo, this is very nice looking, so I'm gonna put it here. Okay, you can also add the, if you want to put a underline and to italic it, you can do it. Okay, so this is the way you can this is the way you can convert your text. You can insert a photo into your text, and as well as how to insert a text into a photo. Thanks for watching my channel.